Welcome in class 5 mathematics. Let's start new chapter 7 money. So you do exercise of get set go at last after completion of the exercises and full explanation. Now first topic is here. Just see what is unitary method. Unitary method here, if you are given the cost of one object, you can find the cost of many objects multiplying the cost of one object with the number of objects. That is unitary method. One pencil cost given, so cost of 3 pencil, 3 into 3, number of pencil into cost of one pencil is equal to total cost of 3 pencil, rupees 9. Cost of one ruler given and asks for cost of half a dozen ruler. It means half a dozen means 6. 12 by 2, 6 dozen now. So 4.50 is cost of one ruler and half of a dozen ruler cost total rupees 27. So when you know the cost of one, you can find out the cost of as many as you want by multiplication. But what if the cost of a box of 10 pencil is given as rupees 22 and you have to find the cost of one pencil? So you divide now. Since this is a reducing or decreasing operation, we divide the cost by the number item to get the cost of one item. So one item का cost हमें अगर find out करना है तो division करेंगे and one का cost दिया है और more than one का हमें find out करना है तो multiplication करेंगे. Okay, the cost of a box of 10 pencil is 22. Find the cost of one pencil. So here divide 22 divided by 10 and you got 2.20. Okay, so unitary method definition: the method used to find the value of a unit. Method to find out the value of a unit, that is unitary method. Okay, a dozen bananas cost rupees 18. Find the cost of one banana. A dozen, in one dozen how many bananas? 12 bananas. Number of bananas 12 in one dozen. So 12 bananas cost rupees 18 given. Find the cost of one banana. So 18 divided by number of bananas, that is 12. 1.50 of cost of one banana. Okay, here if you know cost of one banana, so you can find out the cost of 20 bananas also. That 20 into cost of one banana 1.5, you got 30 rupees. Okay, as it is, these are example. Now here see, so when we find the cost of one item, cost for a unit, this method is called the unitary method. Come on the exercise 7a. Here exercise 7a, Meera went to a shop and bought 5 t-shirts for rupees 320. So write as a statement, Meera bought number of t-shirt 5. Total price of 5 t-shirts are rupees 320. So price of each t-shirt, it means one t-shirt, na? It means one t-shirt, each t-shirt means one t-shirt. So how to find out the price of each t-shirt? 320 divided by 5. Okay, and you find out as a quotient the value 5 6 ja 30 and 5 4 ja 20. 64 rupees cost of each t-shirt. Okay, now see next. Chetna bought 1.5 dozen of hairpin for rupees 48. How much did each hairpin cost her? So now first find out the 1.5 dozen number of pins. So 1.5 dozen, because 1 dozen is equal to 12 and half dozen is equal to 6. So 12 plus 6 dozens. 12 plus 6 पिंस हो गए. 1.5 डजन से 12 प्लस 6 हमारे पिंस हो गए. ओके, सो नाउ हियर 12 प्लस 6 18 पिंस. 18 पिंस. ओके, कॉस्ट ऑफ 18 पिंस, टोटल कॉस्ट रुपीज 48. टोटल कॉस्ट रुपीज 48. ओके, हाउ मच डिड ईच हेयर पिन कॉस्ट? सो cost of each hairpin, it means one hairpin. Okay, so for find out one hairpin cost, we divide na 48 cost divided by number of pins 18. After division, you find out the quotient 2.67 rupees each pin cost. Okay. Now move to the question number 3. Here, question number 3 in your book, page number 105. As Beth went to the market and bought 1.5 kg of sugar for rupees 25. How much would she have to pay for 500 gram? So Beth bought sugar quantity 1.5 kg. So first convert this mixed fraction in improper fraction. Then after, because this is in kg, and asked for 500 gram pay. On 500 gram, how much pay? So convert this kg, convert in gram. Okay, kg to grams, because 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 3 by 2 kg is equal to 3 by 2 kg is equal to 3 by 2 into 1000 gram हो गया. Okay, so if you divide it, 2 5 ja 10, 0 0, 5 3 ja 1500, 1500 gram. So 1500 gram cost of rupees 25. Total cost of 1500 gram is equal to rupees 25. So how much cost for on 500 gram? For 500 gram also can be right. Okay, तो 500 ग्राम पे कितना कॉस्ट आएगा? 1500 ग्राम रुपीज 25. So 500 gram asked for. Okay, so 1500 gram given. So first find out the how much cost on 1 gram. So on 1 gram, if on 1 gram cost is equal to 25 by 1500. Okay, 25 by 1500. Okay, so in 500, on 500 cost 25 by 1500 into 500. So here cut it, and 5 3 ja 15, 25 by 3, 3 8 ja 24, 24, and left 1 remaining, 3 3 ja 9, 3 rupees. Okay, this is cost of for 500 gram sugar. Now move to the next question. 20 meter cloth costs rupees 180. For 20 meter cloth cost rupees 120. So on 1 meter, first find out 1 meter cloth cost is equal to 180 divided by 20. Divided by 20, you can write it divided by as fraction of 120 by 20, 180 by 20. Okay, 180 divided by 20 can be write as 180 by 20. Okay, so 180 by 20 here. Now find out how much in question. 75 meter. For 75 meter cloth costs is equal to, there is more than 1 na, so multiply in this fraction which has the 1 meter cost 75. तो 1 मीटर का आपने फाइंड आउट जब कर लिया तो उसमें आप 75 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो मोर देन 1 का हमें मिल जाएगा. सो कट इट एंड यू हैव 2 9 जा 80, 9 into 75, 9 जा 45, 7 9 ja 63, 63 plus 4, 63 plus 4, 67, 67 rupees 675 cost of 75 meter cloth. Okay, now move to the question number 5, that is 3 meter of mill total cost rupees 75. Okay, question number 5 here. 3 liters of milk cost rupees 75. Find the cost of 5.5 liter. Ask for na. First find out the 1 liter cost. So on 1 liter cost of milk is rupees 75 by what? 3 na. Okay, divided by 3. You find out what? 3 2 ja 6. Okay, 3 5 ja 15, 25 rupees. Okay, now for 5.5 liter, 5.5 liters is equal to 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10 plus 1, 11 by 2 liters. 11 by 2 liters of cost, milk cost. Here, this is milk. Okay, sorry. Milk cost is equal to 25 into 11 by 2. Multiply कर दिया हमने 11 by 2. So now if you divide it, 2 1 ja 2, okay, then 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 11. Multiply 11 5 ja 55, 11 2 ja 22 plus 5 27. Okay, then after 11 1 ja 11 plus 2 30, 137.50 rupees. That is cost of 5.5 liters milk. Question number 6. Cost of a dozen biscuit packet. A dozen, it means 1 dozen. And in 1 dozen, how many? So here 1 dozen is equal to 12. Okay, 12 biscuit packets cost rupees 120. So 1 biscuit packet cost is equal to 120 by 12. Find out 1 biscuit packet, rupees 10. Okay, so how much cost of 19 such packets? So cost of 19 packets cost is equal to rupees 10 into 19, 190 rupees. Okay, now question number 7. This is answer. Question number 7. A carton of return gifts. A carton of return gifts with 20 packets cost of rupees 240. So here a carton with 20 packets cost rupees 240. 20 packets cost rupees 240. So one packet cost rupees 240 by 20. Here 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 20 rupees. Now find the cost of 52 such packets. Cost of 52 such packets. Okay, so 52 such packets is equal to rupees 12 into 52. 12 2 ja 24. Okay, 12 5 ja 60. 12 5 ja 60 plus 2 62, 624 rupees. 624 rupees is total cost of 52 such packets. So here next, money spent on lunch in a week. Money spent in a week. In a week means in 1 week, and 1 week carries how many days? 7 days, na? So in 7 days, cost of lunch rupees 210. So here in 7 days, okay, this is 7 days, cost rupees 210. Okay, so in for 1 day cost is equal to 210 by 7. 7 3 ja 21, 30 rupees. Okay, how much did he spend in a day for a lunch? So this is we find out spent on in a day. In one day it means a day na. So spent in a day cost rupees 30 on lunch. Okay. 9. Ravi bought a plate for Golgappa. Ravi bought a plate cost rupees 12 of Golgappa. Okay. It contained 8 pieces. So Golgappa pieces. So 8 pieces Golgappa cost. 8 pieces Golgappa cost rupees 12. Okay. How much would he have to pay of 20 pieces? Ask for 20 pieces of pay. And how many plates would he have to buy for 20 pieces? So here, how many plates would he have to buy for 20 pieces? And first, how much would he have to pay for 20 pieces? For 8 pieces, 12. So first find out one piece cost. One piece cost is equal to 12 by 8. 12 by 8. So one piece cost is equal to 12 by 8. 8 1 ja 8. Remaining 4. 8 5 ja 40. 1.5 rupees. Okay. So how much you pay for 20 pieces? Pay on 20 pieces is equal to 20 into 1.5. 15 2 ja 30. Okay. 15 2 ja 30. And here 30 rupees. Ask for number of plates. Ask for number of plates for 20 pieces. है ना? Okay. So you ask for number here pieces. Okay. So because here on one plate 8 piece. On one plate 8 piece. Okay. This is one plate 8 piece. Second place 8 piece. Okay. 8 8 16. Then after on third plate 4 piece content, that makes 20 na. So 4 is the half of 8 na. So this is half plate Golgappa. This is full plate, 2 full plates, 2 full plates, so 2 whole, and 1 half plate, so 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plates. Okay, easy na. Now move to the next. Monthly bus ticket. Monthly bus ticket cost. Monthly bus ticket cost rupees 99. What is the bus fare for a day? Monthly bus tickets, no, either, sorry. Monthly bus ticket cost rupees 99. So in 1 month, how many days? In 1 month, we have 30 days. Okay. In 30 days, cost of ticket rupees 99.90 either. Okay, sorry, it's 99.90. Okay, so here 99.90 rupees on a monthly bus ticket, so bus fare for a day. So in one day bus fare is equal to 99.9 divided by 30, and you have 300. How? If you multiply by 10 for removing decimal, okay, so 999, and it's converted in 300. Now if you divide it by 3 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9, and divide by 100, you got 3.33 rupees. Okay, now try it and do all solution in your notebook.